Hello and welcome to Audrey the ICONN Adventures. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of the modification that I did to the breather system for the water tanks. Being that we don't use the standard filler points anymore, we've got them blanked off with these custom made DTR covers, we had to change the breather system. What we have here is inside the cargo compartment, dust suppression fan unit there. You see that there's two hoses here coming up through the floor, one each for the tanks underneath. They come up to the top, come along into a T-piece, which then comes back down through the floor to a proper caravan water tank breather that I have mounted underneath, and it's protected from any stones, rocks, etc. flying around. You can see that all the hoses are food grade hose and they're in proper conduit, not split tube. Split tube will let the dust into your trailer, even though you think it doesn't. Unfortunately it does. So conduit and then the heat shrink. And that is how we breathe our two tanks, and we can drive on the roughest of rough roads and lose zero water, and it's a much better system. So thank you.